How to factor the trinomial x squared minus 5x plus 6. To do this, we note that we're going to work with two binomial pairs, x minus m and x minus n. And we're going to follow two steps. Step 1, we will look at the multiples of 6, and we'll try and find a pair such that when you multiply them, you yield positive 6, and at the same time, when you add them, you yield negative 5. Let's do a guess and check. So firstly, let's note that the middle term is negative 5, so the sum of the two numbers is negative 5. Next, the product of those two numbers is positive 6. So we're going to be working with two negative numbers. Let's try with negative 1 and negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. Good. Now let's check that their sum is negative 5. So negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. Clearly this pair will not work. So let's try another pair of numbers that multiply to 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 provides me an answer of positive 6. Now let's check their sum. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So clearly this pair will work. So the factored form of x squared minus 5x plus 6 is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now to do a last minute check, realize that x minus 2 and x minus 3 are our binomial pairs. That's correct. But notice that minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6, and negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So you've done your work correctly.